Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. Today, I'll walk you through replacing your Ford F-150 headlights. This is a straightforward task that can significantly improve your vehicle's appearance and nighttime visibility. First, gather your tools. You'll need a ratchet, a 10mm socket, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Always prioritize safety by turning off your engine and engaging the parking brake before you begin. Then, simply pop the hood to get started. Now, let's remove the old headlight. Begin by using your ratchet and 10mm socket to unscrew the two upper bolts holding the headlight in place. Next, locate the plastic rivet on the rubber cover and remove it with your Phillips screwdriver. This allows you to take off the cover, revealing a third 10mm screw. Once all three screws are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward to release it from the fender housing. With the old headlight removed, it's time for the new one. First, carefully disconnect the electrical harnesses from the old bulbs and then connect them to your new headlight assembly. Ensure each connection is secure. Next, align the new headlight assembly's plastic studs with the holes in your truck's body. Gently push it into place. Once aligned, reinsert and tighten all three 10mm mounting screws. Finally, replace the plastic cover and secure it with the rivet. You're almost done. Now, test your new headlights. Turn on your vehicle and check that the low beams, high beams, and turn signals are all functioning correctly. For optimal safety, you'll need to aim your headlights. Park your truck on a flat surface, about 3 meters from a wall. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to adjust the vertical and horizontal screws on the headlight assembly until the beam pattern is properly aligned. This ensures clear visibility and prevents dazzling oncoming drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.